Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to show you the new Stampin' Up! In Color 6x6 Designer Series paper. I wanted to show you the full size of the sheet of paper rather than just the little swatch that's in the catalog so that you could see the full print. This pack of paper is actually 40 sheets for each of 2 double-sided designs in each of the 5 in colors. And these are the new in colors that are 2021 to 2023. And this pack of paper is a 6x6 pack. So you can see the 4 different designs, and I'm going to show those to you in each of the 5 colors. The pale papaya, fresh freesia, polished pink, evening evergreen, and soft succulent. After I go through each one, let me know which color your favorite one is in the comments below, and I'll share with you mine. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite? Okay, my favorite, of course, is polished pink because you guys know how much I love the color pink, but I've actually been really loving these 2 shades of green together, and I've also been loving the pastels of this papaya and freesia with the soft succulent. So there's just so many different ways that I plan on using this paper, and I love that the backgrounds are that subtle image to be able to use for any occasion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this designer series paper reveal of the 2021 to 2023 in color 6x6 designer series paper assortment. I'll leave a link down below so that you can get your hands on this fabulous designer series paper. And of course, don't forget to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, for lots of great ideas. And be sure to follow me on Facebook at Laura's Stamp Pad to see lots of lives, stamping, fun stuff, and so much more. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping!